Good morning, Get Wrecked for Recovery crew. So it was beautiful out here last night. Stars were amazing. No wind, quiet. It was a really good night's sleep. I guess about midnight, maybe 1 o'clock. Everybody that was up here to take pictures of the comet finally left, and so it's just been me on this mountain with all these other mountains around me. Anyway, so today I'm headed down into Sisters, and then I'm going to go as far past Sisters as I can. It's all downhill into Sisters, so I'm looking forward to that. But then I don't know how much farther I'll ride after that today. Hopefully I make it a good 40 or 50 miles. I'd like to cover, some of the mileage that I didn't do yesterday, only going 20. But either way, that's what I'm about to do now. I got to get to a grocery store and get some more groceries. I ate a lot coming up that hill yesterday. Maybe some breakfast or a pizza too. Anyway, love you guys. See you later. Alright, so this is where my journey crosses the PCT, the Pacific Crest Trail. Awesome. I've always wondered where it was in this area of the mountains, and now I know. It is unbelievable to me how the paradigm or the just ecosystems have changed. Like, yesterday, lush cascade forests, it was beautiful. Then up to that lava field. Now, just directly east side of the mountain, it's all like longleaf pines and prairies. No more like, I'd have to chop my way through something to put a tent down. I could put a tent down anywhere. The way coming through the changes affects your mind and the connection to your eyes. It's just so weird, it's like turning a light switch on and off. The difference in the ecosystems and the environment. It's beautiful, but it's weird. Anyway, I'm about 3 miles out from Sisters, so that's probably the next thing that you will see. Alright, so I just got here to Blazing Saddles in Sisters, Oregon. And I had them check my chain, and it is way stretched. I guess when I was using that silicone lubricant, it wasn't really doing well, so I bought a new chain, and I'm about to install it on the bike. Super nice people here, by the way. Alright. I'm going to check the length of this one and make sure that it is the right length compared to the old one.
Well, also, okay, so you look right over.
Alright, so I just got the chain installed and made sure that the master link snapped into place. Now I'm going to oil the chain and it'll be time to ride again. Alright, all finished up. Good to go. Alright, so I've been about 20 miles so far this morning from up at the top of the McKenzie Pass, and I'm down in Sisters. I stopped at Blazing Saddles and got the chain repaired. And so now I wanted to get some food. Well, it was too early for any restaurants to be open on a Sunday. So I waited in front of a place called Martoli's. And it was like 10:30, I think they opened at 11. I got some video uploaded and just kind of hung out. And I asked him, I said, you know, do you have anywhere I can charge my phone? And the lady just kind of snapped at me. I don't think she realized how much I really like pizza. So either way, I came right across the street to the Gallery Restaurant and Bar. And I'm about to sit down and have some food. I'm waiting on a table that has an electrical outlet so I can charge my power bank and my phone and work on yesterday's video to get it out. And then they also have Wi-Fi, so I am going to be able to post that video before I leave lunch and head east through Oregon. So that is the next thing that you're gonna see. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Alright, so I didn't end up going with pizza, but I got a California Jack Burger that's got jalapenos all on it, and it looks amazing. Alright, so I'm at another bicycle shop. A series of unfortunate events. Today when I got into Sisters, you saw that I got the bike chain at Blazing Saddles. I purchased it, put it on the bike, and then I didn't ride very far. I just rode right up to get, you know, lunch there, and then sat there and uploaded videos for most of the day. So it got to be about, I guess, 3 o'clock, and I left on down the road. Well, I got about a mile down the road, and every half pedal, my chain would skip. And so I called back to Blazing Saddles. They said, you need a new freewheel. They didn't have it. Called up to Redmond. They didn't have it. They're going to be closed tomorrow. Don't have a technician in. Called even farther down the road. They didn't have it. Called this place, Eurosports, right here in Sisters. And I came in. The guy didn't answer the phone at first. But so I just rode back. I was going back to pick up my old chain and just put it back on the bike. And so I got here, and the guy took a look at it. His name's Brad, super nice guy. And he actually was able to get me a freewheel that's got, see that really, really big chain ring? All right. So he was able to get me that chain ring. And it is like a super low 1-1 gear, which is going to make my mountain climbing sections way easier. when I got to the register, I said, how much do I owe you? He said, $15. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So thank you so much, Brad. If you see this, man, I appreciate you. Anybody riding the Trans-America Trail, stop into Eurosports, stop into Blazing Saddles. I've had a wonderful, good customer experience at both places on this journey today. So yeah, definitely worth your while to check in with Brad here. And, you know, just buy something that you need to thank him for what he's done for Redeeming Eden. So with that, there's no way I'm going to make it very far today. I'm just going to pedal. It's nice. It's getting much cooler. It's about 5 in the afternoon now, maybe 5:30. So I'm just going to go until I stop and see where that is. And you'll know before I do, right about now. Well, you can believe that was the best 2-minute shower that I've ever had. So I got here to Sisters, which is this town at the bottom of McKenzie Pass. And again, just a crazy day of different things happening with replacing the chain and then eating and getting yesterday and the day before's videos posted. And then on top of that, having the chain not work correctly and having to get the new freewheel. So as I just kind of came out of town, out of Sisters, I found this park here. And when I found the park, I saw that it was $5 for a hiker-biker campsite. So I made sure to go ahead and take advantage of that. Even though I haven't gone very far today, I had a lot of different work that needed to be done. And so I'm okay with it. I will definitely be making it up. And now that I've got that new super low gear, hills shouldn't be too much of a problem. Nothing like they have been anyways. I'll take any bit of, you know, advantage that I can get there. But so I found my little campsite here, and you can see my little tent right there. And my bike here against the thing. And my towels are drying out. And it's actually not too far from the little creek. Right here that runs right past the park. And so I'm camped here with another touring cyclist, so we've been sharing a lot of different stories, and it's been really good. His name's Mike, and I'm definitely glad to have met Mike on this journey. So that's it for tonight. Again, didn't go very far, but got a lot accomplished that needed to be done. You guys needed to have the videos posted, and I needed to get the bike worked on, and so I feel much more confident climbing hills. I'm telling you, after that mountain, like every little part of the bike, I could feel it. Like I could feel that it was getting bad quickly. Something was going to happen with that chain, and so I just wanted to jump ahead and not get into any more hills or mountains without being prepared. So that's pretty much it for tonight. Like I said, I'm going to start cutting and editing this video. Got my batteries charging over with the camp host. They've been wonderful. Yeah, telling you, that $1 shower for 2 minutes, best 2 minutes I've ever had in my life. Maybe not, but you know, it was definitely, it's up there. It's up there, you know. It's probably like, you know, wife, birth of kids, home ownership, that 1 minute shower. No, that's entirely not true, but that's just how I feel. It was that good. Anyway, thank you guys again for your support. Thanks for supporting Redeeming Eden. It cannot continue without your support. So don't forget that Redeeming Eden is a nonprofit ministry through International Gospel Outreach, and you can actually go on their website. I'll put a link in the description, and you can donate through their website. You can make a one-time donation, or you can make a monthly donation to be able to continue to support this tour. And hey, even after the tour has ended in November, it may fund the next tour, or it may fund the rehab that I'd like to build. So with all that being said, I'm done for the day. It's been a good day. If you know anybody who has died from addiction, any way, form, or fashion, please drop a comment or Facebook me or let me know so that I can ride for your person for a day. And if you know anybody who's addicted, share this video with them. If it's you, find help. You know, there's churches, Celebrate Recovery, you know, rescue missions. There's so many places that are free that want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. I love you. You know, I don't want to see you continue down the path that you're on. And so with that, you know, anything I can do to help, I'll be glad to resource a way for you to get the help that you need. So from Sisters, Oregon, here in beautiful, beautiful cloudless Oregon, under the Ponderosa Pines, I love you guys. Have a good night. I'll see you later.